Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As promised, I'm back with a part 2 version of this series. So data science interview resources for preparation, and let's go with our first. So the first resource I would like to mention here is the tryexponent.com, and uh, this website I would like to mention is that I was not aware of this website, and through LinkedIn I reached out, I got in contact with one person who himself provided in his one of his posts that he used this resource to secure a job at Google. It was very interesting because who wouldn't want a job at Google, right? So I reached out to him. I asked a lot about what were the resources he used, and this was one of the platform he mentioned. And I will take you through the website and let you know more details about it. This is called the exponent.com, which is called typeexponent.com. So I came across this resource through a person who has recently used this resource to land an offer in Google. So you can see how useful it would be. Like landing an offer in Google is everybody's dream. So I got the paid version for this, and as you can see, I've already signed. I've started my course and I'm exploring interview questions. So recently I did secure a job, internal job within my company, within Verizon. So you can see I have used couple of interview questions. I've started learning a course. So this resource has hugely impacted me, like has hugely influenced me in terms of how I would attend an interview, how I would present a solution to the interviewer. So let's look into what are the courses that they offer. So in terms of courses, you can see product management, software engineering, system design, engineering measurement program, data science, UX, product design, solution architect, and a lot of other things. For the video, I would look into the data science, since we are kind of seeing for the data science resource. So here you can see I have completed 92% of the course. This is a course, it's great help guys, and you can see they have certain problems given in the course, and some of them are already been answered. There is a kind of a mock interview structure. So here, for example, stripe retrieve transaction, if I look into this, you can see that this whole problem statement is being handled, and it is provided to us in a video format in terms of a mock interview. So here you can say, in this video, Miguel, PayPal data scientist, answer the question. So this is a 30-minute long video. The interviewer asks the questions, and the person from person from PayPal is answering the question, going through the whole interview problem statement, and this gives us an insight on how we should attempt a problem with respect to data science knowledge. So this is of a great help guys. I would really suggest looking into this resource, because I have not seen people suggesting this resource. And at the same time, here there are a lot of different mock interviews. Like you can see this is a mock interview question. At the same here, another video. See, this is another video format question. It's a mock interview Airbnb, and this gives insight guys, very good insight guys. Like you can literally understand how the person is attempting a question, how he frames the process, how he explains with an example, and how he gives the metrics, right? Basically we have to find out the metrics that we'll have to grade. So this is a great resource. And at the same time, you can see there is a practice section. Here you can practice, you have the peer-to-peer interviews and expert coaching. And with respect to interview questions, if you look into the interview section, there is here with people writing their answers similar to Quora. Like people have questions, they get answered, but that's a general website. So here, in terms of interview, you can see that there are a lot of questions have been answered by people, and you can also write in your answer and check what the other users have written. So this is a great source. And one thing that I would like to mention is the peer-to-peer interview. it's a great resource, guys, because here if you wanted to get a mock interview, and for example you have an interview tomorrow and you want a practice, right, like talking in terms of talking to a real person. If you want a person who wants to have a mock interview with, and you have nobody to do that, this is a great platform to find a peer for you. And if you book a slot, you get reminders, and then you can this maybe you can also have over video chat, and also you get a feedback from an interview. So this is a great resource, guys. And also this interview, peer mock interviews are basically free. Some of them are free with based on your credits. So this can be used by people who wants to get practiced and refine themselves before attending the interview. And then you have the coaching section, which is a private one-to-one coaching masterclass 90-day plan. And also you can see there is a lot of perks in this. So, like, there is a section where people work with us. There is a section where you can also help the community grow by giving your time and attending more. Then that will be recorded as a video format where other people will learn from you. So that's a great way. And they have the blogs and the company guides at the same time. So for example, if you want to get expert coaching, there is a resource for getting negotiation mock interviews, and these people are giving their time, and some of them are like already into big companies. So you can start booking their space and their appointments. And for example, here you can see this is a premium version. So if you want to get an appointment with these people, then I would suggest you can look into the people whom you want to talk and have sessions. For example, here you can see there are a number of sessions given as 5, and topics you can literally select which topics you want to talk about and then pay and go forward with it. So this is a bit expensive, but a great way to understand, get some feedback from the experts. So if you look into the pricing, I just came out of my account so that you can view the pricing structure. So if you see here, there's the full experience is you can gain it by an annual offer, that is the 12 months per month, $12 per month. And these are the things that they offer for this service. And I would say this has reduced a lot, guys. When I took, it was huge, and I would this is the right offer for you to select and gain experience. Platform. There are frequently asked questions here provided. Here you can see that they've answered question what is included in the membership. They have the Slack channel that they provide, wherein you can give in your questions. Some of the people would respond to you, and you can also connect with the other users through this community and get a mock interview. So these are all a great platform that this website offers. So yeah. When that is done, and I would like you to provide you with another resource, that's the stratascratch.com. This resource is very well known, but it's more to say to that. I would say this resource is well deserved the attention, because it provides lot of information, lot of services, which includes free services and the premium version. So I'll take you through the website myself and let you know what you can find from these websites. This is another resource that is very useful, which is some of you all might have already known. This is stratascratch.com, and here you can see there are a lot of coding questions, non-coding questions, data projects, blog, and they also provide free service as well as premium service. So in the data questions, you can see the interview questions. They have actually the active interview questions, the questions that have been previous years like 2020, 2021, 2022, and then they have the general practice. So all these questions here are rated in terms of difficulty level, and you can see the company is also being mentioned here, and some of the thing that I like a lot about this website is because since I'm using a free service, you can see there are certain questions with video options. So if you click on one of these video option, you can see that they themselves have a video for video for solution. So here you can see, if you go to section, they have this video solution for. This is one great this is one great thing that I found that differs from various websites that are available. So here in this video, if you look into it, the person is explaining, is kind of explaining you how the whole solution has been solved by him. And yeah, that's something that I like about this platform. And if you look into the non-coding questions, this is also similar to what you've seen before. So here you see there are sections like business case, statistics, modeling, technical and coding questions. There are system design, at the same time probability questions, and all of these are the same. We have the questions in terms of difficulty and company wise, and you have the data projects that I like a lot, because this is somewhat frequently asked in an interview. For example, they give a take-home project, like they give the data, and then they tell you like to find the insight, to do some prediction, do some modeling, and bring out the results in terms of presentation. So this gives us an insight on how and learn. And these are sample questions, and some of them are locked. As you can see, I'm only using a free version. But if you are using a premium version, you can definitely look into these questions, and then and you are also being offered with some solutions. So here you can see the pricing structure, and you have the lifetime pricing, you have the yearly pricing, you have the monthly pricing, and then the free section. So under free, you get a lot of resources. For example, you can see a lot of data science coding questions for SQL and Python, and some of them are non-coding questions are also provided. SQL platform is provided. What I tend to suggest you guys is, even if you see 500 plus data science questions for SQL and Python with no solution, what I basically learn from it is, I see the solution discussion. So in the solution discussion, if you look, people are writing their solution, it's describing what is wrong with the other users' solution. So that is also another way that you can get the solution, right? So you don't have to pay for any of these pricing services, but at the same time learn from the free version. So that's my suggestion here. Yeah. And then you can see we have the blogs, and in the blogs you can see they have general stuffs like educational resources, interview questions in terms of company like DoorDash, Amazon. So it's a great resource, guys. You need to look into this. It will be definitely helpful for you all. So that's done, and I would like to also introduce another not much well spoken about resource is the interviewqs.com. Interviewqs.com, I don't remember how I came across this website, but I remember that I was preparing for one of my interviews and for an internal job, and then I found this website like randomly and just browsed over this website and felt like it's a great catch, because some of the questions asked are literally been listed in that website. So I felt like I need to take a look into it, and also I thought, why not share it to the entire audience so that they get benefit out of it also. So here I will take you through the video. Here I will take you through the website and let you know what all you can find from the website. To mention, which is not quite often discussed in any platform, is this interview QS. So here when I go to the dashboard, you can see it asks for login. So you can literally go and get your account created, or you could go log in using your Google account. And once you log in, it goes through a dashboard, and this is a dashboard that provides list of questions. This is a daily ramp question, so I have the access to the paid version. So here you can see the daily ramp is available at the same time freestyle is basically the same questions but in different order. So daily ramp is like daily basis thing through you are receiving through emails will be projected in this dashboard. So here you can see there are a lot of questions in terms of title, category, what the question involves, and the difficulty. So the questions and this website is that if once when you take the paid version or also if you are a free member using the free service of the website, once you're logging in and this website or the owners behind it or the founders behind it send you the questions through email. So you get the questions through email and then you can attempt the questions, and if it's a free version obviously you won't get the solution provided, but if it's a paid version you would get the next solution the next day. For example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday they would give you the problem statements or the exercise that have to solve, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday they would provide you with solution. That's the paid version, but solutions are available in the Google platform. You literally wanted to see a solution, you can go and see, search Google. But what I find personally, some of these questions are not answered anywhere. I did try that part. I did try searching for solutions for these questions, but they are not answered widely. So that's why I took the paid version. And one thing I also want to mention is that these are the questions that are frequently asked in check.com. So it's very rare that we refer those questions there, but to be honest, some of these questions are asked in some of the interviews that I personally attended. So I would suggest this is a great resource. The pricing structure. So as I already mentioned, they write questions, you solve them, and yeah. So this is how it's been scheduled. All these questions and the sample questions are provided for you to test the waters. And for with respect to pricing, you can see that this is a section where you can see for the pricing. In order to upgrade to a premium version to receive solutions, the monthly platform is $19 where you're billed each month, and the most popular is the annual payment. It's $15, which you around you save 21%, and it's billed annually. So this is the pricing structure, and yeah, so it's great to have the paid version because you get the solution very fast. It's a great platform, and I would suggest you to look into this resource as well. Now that everything has been said, I would like to mention here this is the end of the video. I hope this would benefit you all, and all the best for the interview preparation, that in case you're preparing for an interview. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. It would be a great deal for me because that's when I know if I'm doing a great job or not. So please do subscribe and watch the video till start to end so that I know that it's reaching to the audience. And yeah, so stay tuned to the next video.